Hey, Ed here. In my room again, and I'm actually gonna continue where I left off from our last video. And if you haven't seen our last video, I'm just gonna, include a link below here where you can direct back there to see what I was talking about, and you can come back here so you can understand what we're talking about. Okay. Um, what are these? What I'm going to talk about today is actually the tools you're going to need to start building your online business. And what are these tools? They're going to be a website and an autoresponder. You can not, don't worry, some of you don't know what, these tools are going to be. Well, website you probably know, but you probably don't know what an autoresponder is. But first of all, you're going to need a website first, and I'm going to dive into that and share exactly the same tools that I'm using in my online business and how you can benefit from this. Okay, so the number one blog I'm using right now is the new EMV2 blog and the blog B system, which is actually universal. The beauty of this actually is if you don't have a product, you can actually resell Empower Networks products. And number two, if you do have a product, you can just, use your blogging host and, sell your product on that. Either way, it works, okay? And that's the beauty of it. You don't have to only sell to affiliates. You can sell to customers. That's exactly which I'm trying to communicate to you right now. Okay, so on top of that, when you decide to purchase the blogging system under me, you're actually going to get access to my team. Even if you're an affiliate or a customer, you're going to get the exact same training, right? From our six-figure earner with over 200 members in there. We're gonna dive into the 5K and 30-day blueprint. We're gonna have team training. We're gonna have an awesome support where any question you ask, someone is gonna help you. Well, not always, but some people are busy, but people are gonna help you if they can, and that's gonna cut your learning curve significantly. And that is what I wanted when I first started. Because when I first started, as you see, I talked about in the last video, I struggled. I was lost, overwhelmed by everything out there. I never knew like what was right and what was wrong, right? Like, am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? That's what was going through my head the whole time. And where I realized like to solve that is actually you just gotta plug into a team and have mentors who have already done what you want to be done and just let them teach you and guide you in the right direction so you actually feel good that what you're doing is actually the correct steps and you can actually gain feedback from people like myself and people inside the Facebook group. Okay, so yes, that's what you're gonna get when you decide to purchase this blogging platform, ENV2 or the Blog Beast, whatever you want to call it. And in the next video, I'm going to dive into how to set up the blog, how to map your custom domain, which is like you can make any custom domain, which is www.edmundland.com, or you can actually create multiple blogs and sell multiple opportunities because you're actually allowed to do that on Empower Network. And yeah, that's what I'm going to go over with in the next video, and then I'm going to dive into how to set up the autoresponder. Okay, yeah, that's it, and I will see you later.